The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, running boards, power driver's seat, dual airbags, auto express down window, power steering, adjustable headrests, front air conditioning, cruise control, clock. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.